kilograms.
135 kilograms.
That's
gang.
like times 2 a little bit more, so like 110 pounds.
70 pounds.
70 pounds.
That's not 70 pounds. What the fuck?
That shit not 70.
YouTube. Charge battery. Press and hold.
That has to be the way, right? Leave it. Oh! Back the up!
I don't know what you're doing.
Wait,
What the fuck is that?
he's on.
What?
He's on. Wait, it says after. We didn't want to say it. It says after a minute. That second paragraph.
After short pressing and long pressing the power button to turn on the machine, wait for about 1 minute until G1 enters the zero torque state. Press L1 plus A to enter the damping state. What's L1?
It's the remote.
At this point, hold the G1 shoulder. No, wait a minute.